we focus ourselves in the perimeter of the similar polygons. So in this figure, we have the triangle CAT. So the little triangle here is somewhat similar to the triangle MNG, the big one. Okay, and there must be a given here, which is the MNNG, which is 18, CA, 8, 9, and 10. So the missing angle is here. That is our first thing that we need to do. Oh, the first thing that we need to do is to find the value of x. So how do we find the value of x? Now, because the triangle CAT is similar to this triangle, okay, we then simply say that the CA, okay, the CA, or this the proportion of these two sides, okay, CA and MN, okay, is equal to, is equal to CT all over MG. Okay, CT and MG. Okay, so for us to find that one, we're gonna use this particular information. Okay, so CA, we then replace CA by 8. Okay, so we will change CA by 8. Also, MN in the denominator, we're gonna change it by 18. Okay, CT, CT is 10 all over MG, that is missing. Okay, so we apply the property, ang tawag sa property nito is the cross product property of proportion. Ang tinatawag din dito is um, cross multiplication, but this is a property, no? X times 8, that is 8x. 16 times 10, that is going to be 160. Dividing both sides by 8, isolating the x is equal to, that is equal to 20. Okay, the missing side here is equal to 20. Now, the second problem would be, we have to find the ratio of these two polygons, no? Of these two triangles. So, using the perimeter of similar polygons theorem that I've shown you in the earlier in the first part of our discussion, no, we're gonna use that particular theorem. Okay, so how do we use it? Um, the ratio of the perimeter of the CAT to the perimeter of MNG, which is this one. Let me write it. CT over MG, okay? CA over MN, also equal to AT over NG. So let's try to test CT and MG. Okay, I think 10 divided by 20 is equal to 1 half. Okay. Also CA, which is CA here, right? Where are you? 8. And MN, no, 8 divided by 16, that is going to be 1 half. No, they are similar in nature. This is what we call the scale factor, or the ratio of these two sides. Okay, so the thing is, we just need to find the ratio or the scale factor of this two triangle, and we finally get our final answer, which is 1 half. That's it. Okay, the thing is, we finally get the correct answer, which is 1 half, and that's all. See you in our next example.